I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your balance on a Freedom Prepaid eSIM, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check code. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Listen for your balance. After dialing the code, wait for the automated system to respond. It will announce your current balance, so make sure to listen carefully. Step 3. Check online. If you prefer, you can also log into your Freedom account online. Navigate to the account balance section to view your current balance. Step 4. Use the mobile app. Download the Freedom mobile app if you haven't already. Once logged in, you can check your balance directly from the app's home screen. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you're having trouble checking your balance, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. They can assist you with any issues you might encounter. Sometimes, the automated system might be busy, so if you don't get an answer right away, try again in a few minutes. I hope this helps you keep track of your balance easily.